off CSX Main 2. Coming off Main 2, switching over to the ES, Newcastle District, east, Cincinnati. Second train of the afternoon. I had somebody on YouTube tell me that the reason why the CSX Toledo Sub is so empty right now is because crews might be dealing with frozen switches. There's some stack train due to these ultra low temperatures. It's 24 degrees last time I checked. So yeah, it's pretty cold. It ain't playing around out here. Man, we don't get much snow these days in the Ohio Valley, so I cherish it and take advantage, because you end up with cool shots like this. Beasting it in a Kia. Or a Ford Fusion. I've seen quite a few charges out here today. Seem to be handling this so we may have ourselves a northbound or a westbound. Everybody, I'm going to turn this up real quick. Bunch of empties right here. Whole lot of empties. Snow's been falling since about 10 a.m. this morning. Forgot my watch at home. And I'm not about to take these gloves off, so I have no idea what the time is right now. But it's been snowing for about 3 hours, give or take. But not like this. It started off kind of, light. And actually we're getting the fluffy flakes right about now for the first time today. So that's cool. It's sticking, but it's kind of a wet snow. I noticed when I was wiping my windshield wipers, it kind of would just hit the windshield, and then it would pack on there, but you could wipe it off. You know what I'm saying? Like, you wipe it off with the windshield wiper, it turns to water. Heck, when I was driving, it was hitting the windshield, the snow was, and it would just literally turn to water. Sometimes upon contact when I was driving at speed, like, I don't know, about 40 miles per hour. But yeah. Man, it's a lot of empties. Got some more containers coming up here though. Schneider, JD Hunt, Amazon Prime, and UMax. There we go. Howling flanges on the curve. I was waiting on that. Ha 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 ha. Top lift only. $125T, I'm assuming that means 125 tons, maybe. And there we go. That's the end. CSX I141. Sounds like we got I-140 coming up northbound. But yeah, 141 headed east on Newcastle District. And until the next train comes, it's Hakeem SD70M reporting to y'all live on a very cold and snowy evening. What time of day I think it is? Afternoon in Hamilton, Ohio. Hakeem SD70M out.